Hey friends, this is MR Smart Kids Education. Today, we are going to learn about 3D shapes. Let's start. Cube. A cube is a 3D shape with 6 equal square faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. It looks like a dice and is also called a regular hexahedron. All its sides are the same length, making it symmetrical. Cuboid. A cuboid is a 3D shape with 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. Unlike a cube, its faces can have different lengths and widths. A cuboid looks like a box or a brick. Cylinder. A cylinder is a 3D shape with 2 flat circular faces, top and bottom, and 1 curved surface that connects them. It looks like a can or a drum. Cone. A cone is a 3D shape with a flat circular base and a pointed tip at the top, called the apex. It has 1 curved surface that connects the base to the apex. It looks like an ice cream cone. Square pyramid. A square pyramid is a 3D shape with a square base and 4 triangular faces that meet at a single point, called the apex. It has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 corners. It looks like a pyramid in Egypt. Sphere. A sphere is a perfectly round 3D shape, like a ball. It has no edges, no corners, and 1 smooth curved surface. Every point on its surface is the same distance from the center. Torus. A torus is a 3D shape that looks like a donut or a ring. It has a hole in the middle, with a smooth, curved surface all around. It has no edges and no corners. Hemisphere. A hemisphere is half of a sphere. It has a curved surface on one side and a flat circular face on the other. It looks like a bowl or half of a watermelon. Pentagonal prism. A pentagonal prism is a 3D shape with 2 pentagonal bases, top and bottom, and 5 rectangular faces connecting them. It has 7 faces, 15 edges, and 10 corners. It looks like a stretched pentagon. Triangle pyramid. A triangle pyramid, also called a tetrahedron, is a 3D shape with a triangular base and 3 triangular faces that meet at a single point called the apex. It has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 corners. It looks like a small pyramid made of triangles. Pentagrammic prism. A pentagrammic prism is a 3D shape with 2 pentagram, star-shaped, bases, and 5 rectangular faces connecting them. It has 7 faces, 15 edges, and 10 corners. It looks like a stretched-out star. Hexagonal pyramid. A hexagonal pyramid is a 3D shape with a hexagonal base, 6 sides, and 6 triangular faces that meet at a single point called the apex. It has 7 faces, 12 edges, and 7 corners. It looks like a pyramid with a hexagon on the bottom. Octahedron. An octahedron is a 3D shape with 8 triangular faces, 12 edges, and 6 corners. It looks like 2 pyramids joined at their bases. It's one of the 5 Platonic solids. Hexagonal prism. A hexagonal prism is a 3D shape with 2 hexagonal bases, top and bottom, and 6 rectangular faces connecting them. It has 8 faces, 18 edges, and 12 corners. It looks like a stretched hexagon, like a honeycomb tube. Ellipsoid. An ellipsoid is a 3D shape that looks like a stretched sphere, similar to an egg or a rugby ball. It has a smooth curved surface and no edges or corners. All its cross-sections are ellipses.